This is going to be my first attempt at a river table. I met an old friend who gave me a ash slab, so we're going to work on this slab and see how it turns out. I've got my router sled extended now for a little bit of extra length. So now I'm ready to flatten the bottom side of these slabs. When I get that flat, I'll turn them over and flatten the top side. The slabs are now flat and they are ready to go in the mold. The resin work is done. This is the bottom of the slab. I'm going to sand this off now and get it smooth. I'm going to use the router sled to flatten the top side because there's more resin sticking up. And then I'm going to start sanding it down, and I'm going to sand the top starting with 80 grit and going all the way to 4000 grit to really give it a smooth, shiny finish. The table legs came with some wood screws, but instead of that, I'm going to put in some threaded inserts and use some 1/4 screws. Since ash is a white wood, my sister wanted a little more pop in the grain, so I'm going to use some Osmo oil stain. For the finish, I used 3 coats of Osmo Poly X, then I used 3 coats of Black Forest ceramic coating.